Welcome to Better Everyday, your source of information in matters of self-improvement, health, motivation, and self-help. Hello and nice to see you again. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can be updated of the latest videos which might be of help to your self-improvement. Khan Academy. This app contains database of educational materials for students of all levels. The subjects covered are mathematics, science, computing, history, art history, economics, and more. All levels literally means from kindergarten to college. They also have a special apps for kids ages 2 to 6. Khan Academy offers reading materials appropriate to the level of instruction you are in based on the subject matter. It also contains instructional videos, especially for those topics requiring illustration. There are also practice exercises for you to test your skills and knowledge after viewing the lectures. This is recommended for everyone to be used as a review material to prepare yourself to the exercises your teacher might be giving you or to help you understand difficult lessons since you can access it anytime you want. But wait, there's more. In this app, you can personalize your own learning dashboard. This will enable you to study at your own pace in and outside of the virtual classroom. And there's more. Also, this app is not only for students. Teachers and parents may use this as well to facilitate the students' learning experience. But there's more. This app is absolutely free in Play Store and Apple Store. If you find this video useful and informative, please hit the like button and share it to your friends so they will also be better every day. See you on the next video.